Welcome to a short video on running our Chromebook-based web applications. We have NodeRED, pgAdmin, and on updated kits, a SCADA system called FUXA. In order to record this video, I've actually installed an application called Nimbus Screen Capture, but otherwise this is a standard kit. And I've minimized all the windows I have on my Chrome application or Chrome running. Oh, and by the way, we also have another application called XCTU, and that also runs on this machine. Now, in order to run them, they all run inside a terminal program, and the terminal program is down here. However, let's not start the terminal and see what happens. So I open my browser. I know that my pgAdmin, for example, is on localhost 1880. In fact, I even have a shortcut here because I've used it before. So let's try starting it. Localhost. It's actually going to start an application called FUXA there. So let's maybe just change that back to the one we're talking about, 8080, which is our pgAdmin. Nothing happens. And that's because our virtual machine isn't running. And they all run on our virtual machine. So I have to at least once open the terminal. Now, not just the terminal, I have to run an instance of Linux, which is our Penguin server. So let's run that. It takes a few seconds to load because it's starting a virtual machine. And it's starting, well, it says container manager there, so it's inside the container. We also have Docker, and Docker is what is running our applications. I can leave that now open. I can even close it. Now let's just show you in the background what's happening. We can see here that this one is refreshing by itself. I think they refresh on maybe a 30-second cycle. Let's leave that to sort of run. Oh, and it's run. It's now loaded pgAdmin. Let's even just close that, and you'll find that that can stay open here. We'll log into pgAdmin, logs into this version. If the version is older, you'll get a pop-up here, and that's it. Let's also test out what else we have. We've got NodeRED, localhost 1880. This is our editor. We can edit the pages here. We can look at our dashboard. Here's a shortcut to dashboard on the Chromebook. Again, localhost. The difference is that the path ends in UI. In fact, we can just let that. All the rest of these things are about the connections that it makes internally in the browser. And the final application, FUXA, is on localhost 1881. It loads. We have an editor. We have a lab for testing. And finally, we have our home page. Now let's look at the editor. Here's our editor. Here is our home page. No applications running, but they will be available from this, this hamburger menu. So there we are, a very quick video on our Chromebook-based web apps. So thank you for watching.